The Nembrini Audio Quinta pitch machine is a pitch shifter plugin. Besides offering a full octave up, a full octave down and mix control, it also offers a fifth up, and that is where the Quinta name is referencing to. Hi, I'm Marlon and welcome to the White Noise Studio. The pitch shifter tracks really well. Pitch bends aren't a problem at all. It of course works best when you play single notes. With more notes it will get messy. With the exception of octaves. Using the plugin on bass will give garbled results on the notes from B2 and lower. Even with just using the octave up. So when you decide to use the plugin on bass, it sounds excellent when you play higher up on the scale. The pitches this plugin works best on are in the range of an electric guitar. The plugin has a quality switch which improves tracking. When turned on, the channel latency is 87 milliseconds as measured in Cubase. If it's turned off, there's no latency. This means when you use this plugin in real time, you can better turn the quality switch off. When you have the high quality turned off, the lowest notes with just the octave down pitch will give some difficulties in tracking the right pitch. The octave up and fifth up track fine. But when you enable the high quality mode, the octave down also tracks perfectly fine. The added fifth will give you an instant power chord and the octave down will give bass. This works excellent in more heavy guitar parts. By playing single notes this will give very heavy results and sounds great when you use some amp simulator behind the Quinta plugin. You'll notice that the bypass knob gives a little hiccup when using it. So you have to either time it right or duplicate the guitar track and edit the parts you want with the Quinta and the parts you want without. Using the Quinta after a distorted guitar doesn't sound so great. But directly after a direct in and the amp simulator behind it sounds really good. You can try the Quinta plugin on something else than electric guitar or bass. I liked it best there. On voice for instance it sounded a bit too much chipmunk for my taste. This pitch pedal plugin can give great results when you know how to use it. It's almost like a real guitar pedal. The link to the plugin is in the description below. Watch the videos displayed on screen for more modulation reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!